Farooq Abdullah is currently meeting NC leaders ahead of the all-important meeting with the Prime Minister that is set to take place tomorrow. Let's go across live to Zeenat, who's reporting on this. Zeenat, give us more details. Of course, we have seen a host of meetings take place, ahead of the meeting with the Prime Minister tomorrow.
Yes, Nupur, the meeting is on at Farooq Abdullah's residence here in Gupkar. In fact, all party leaders have yesterday only confirmed that they are meeting Prime Minister Modi tomorrow at Lok Kalyan Marg, and now the leaders from Kargil yesterday were here and the Jammu province leaders are now here. Although the Farooq Abdullah was supposed to travel today to Delhi as per the itinerary that was shared here with the media persons, but somehow there has been some important issues that have come up with the result. He has to postpone his visit to Delhi today, and now tomorrow at 11 he will be travelling via Go Air to Delhi, and then from tomorrow there will be in fact the Miss Mehbooba Mufti, the PDP president, is travelling today to Delhi, where she will be staying at the Prithvi Raj Road. And this is being all seeing the developments of the political parties are coming when the Prime Minister Modi invited the political leaders of Jammu and Kashmir to be part of the all-party meeting. In fact, this is the first meeting with the Prime Minister after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A. Although demands that have been coming from the National Conference, PDP particularly, because these are the main political parties of Jammu and Kashmir, they have been saying that they will pitch for the restoration of Article 370 and 35A, although Delhi has already committed that the statehood will be restored when there will be a conducive atmosphere in Jammu and Kashmir. But as the NC leaders are saying that there has not been any there is no particular agenda that has come from the Delhi, because nothing has come from Delhi, but they will be putting the agenda as individual parties, and also the agenda of PAGD, that is Political Alliance for Gupkar Declaration. They have the agenda of restoration of articles, so that will be put forth before the Prime Minister. And also, as Sajjad Ghani Lone, the PC chairman, has said, it is important that the Prime Minister should be made aware as far as the pain and sufferings of Jammu and Kashmir people are concerned. And the leaders have said in one voice that they will be apprising Prime Minister about the situation on ground and how the common man have been suffering. Although NC also maintained that after the abrogation, nothing has changed in Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, the Delhi cannot do anything in Jammu and Kashmir without the mainstream leaders. So this is the tone that the leaders are maintaining here in Jammu and Kashmir. Though Dr. Farooq Abdullah yesterday also said press that once they meet the Prime Minister, they will also be briefing press about the meeting.
All right. Thank you very much, Zeenat, for bringing us those details of the meeting that's taking place.